Hello, Tom Caldwell here at tomcaldwellonline.com, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a daily affiliate marketing training vlog, and I will be covering a different affiliate marketing training topic each day with a short video. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure and subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will receive each training. And if you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it. This will help more people learn about the channel and be able to earn money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, let's get right into today's lesson. Today's lesson is the only two tools that you will ever need to make money online. Number one, page builder, also known as a website builder or a funnel builder. And you can get your funnel builder here at tomcaldwellonline.com/HBA funnel builder, and I will leave a link in the description below. Number two of the tools that you will need to make money online is what we call a email autoresponder. An autoresponder allows you to collect and store email addresses so you can send the same email to all of your potential customers in one step. And you can get your autoresponder here at tomcaldwellonline.com/getresponse. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description below for this as well. Okay, and then once you get yourself set up with your funnel builder and your autoresponder, there's only 3 daily steps that you need to take. Number 1, build your list/audience daily. Build your value daily. And number 3, build your income by sharing your value daily. Now, what we mean by build your value daily is each day you have to learn something new and you have to share it with your list. And to build your income daily, you share that value that you learned with your list. Very simple, very easy. All right, in conclusion, if you are serious about earning money online, you will need a mentor and a step-by-step action plan. And I will be your mentor, and I will provide you with the plan. Download your free copy of the Job Escape Plan and get started making money today at tomcaldwellonline.com/EP download. And of course, I'll leave a link to the free download in the description below. That's all I have for you today. I appreciate you watching my video. If you found value, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And be sure and check the links in my description below. And we'll see you on tomorrow's video.